printer. Okay. Okay. So what is this printer part? So why it is not up and down? Okay. Before printer, just what is this device drivers? Okay. These device drivers, for example, you have a device like a printer or maybe a scanner, maybe a USB like a pen drive. Okay. So, so operating system, right? So already operating system kernel interacts with the hardware that we know already. The kernel interacts with the hardware, but sometimes the operating system kernel also do not have a code to understand hardware devices. Okay, so sometimes maybe sometimes here like for example you have a audio chip is there. Okay, for example you have a audio chip or maybe a example printer. Either internal audio chip is internal one, printer is external one. Okay, or maybe a video card. Okay, so these are the different devices either connected internally or externally. Okay, our operating system may not have a program or a software to interact with that devices. So what you have to do, so we have to install the device drivers. So what is this device drivers, guys? Device drivers are a program or a software which helps OS to interact with that device. With that device. So you have to install a device. So device drivers works at a kernel level of operating system. Okay. Device drivers at kernel level of OS. So that is a device driver. How to manage the device drivers? to manage device and device drivers. So to go to device management. Shortcut is devmgmt.msc. So I'm going to that devmgmt.msc. I log in as first user, so directly device manager is came or devmg. You can try like this, or you can open, go to run devmgmt.msc. This one also works. You can go to run, then open devmgmt.msc, or you can go to search, then type device management. Device manager. So this is the device manager, guys. This much maybe not required, this much very space it is taking. So then also you can take small size. Hmm, this is audio input output, batteries, computer, like this. So I will try to show you the network related drivers here. So how it is, this network adapters. This is my adapter, one of the adapter it is showing here. Right click. You can see properties, update drivers, disable drivers, uninstallation of drivers also it is showing. If you go to properties, then device working properly. Means that device drivers are good, device is also good. Advanced, so then some settings related to device, you can do it. Okay. Priority VLAN, jumbo packets, okay. Flow control, adapt to interframe spacing. Some depends upon your link speed and duplication. So how much speed you want to link speed you want it can change. So it depends upon device, guys. This is the driver's information. Okay, you can get a driver's details, where the drivers are stored, and what is your driver name. Okay, you want to update a drive, you can update the drivers. If you updated drivers and drivers are not working properly, you can roll back them. You can disable the device for a certain period of time. Okay, so something it is giving a trouble, you can disable it for a some. Uninstall the drivers, may works your system. Okay, the devices drivers are not suitable. You install a device drivers, but device is not working. You can uninstall the device, then install a other drivers. These are some details about your drivers. Events. These are the device related IRQ number, IO addressing, memory addressing, that part. Power management is also giving under this. Not every device will show that one, guys. Depends upon your device. This is audio drivers related. It may show differently. So drivers, this is common, general drivers, details, events are showing. Okay. Okay, so I went to the network adapter, this adapter, right click. So you can update, disable, or you can go to the properties, scan for changes. Okay. In this one, I added a, here it is, the devices generally recognize by OS automatically using PNP. What is PNP? Plug and play. When it connected using plug and play service. Okay. OS, try install generic drivers, which is suitable to the device. If it in the system. Okay. Otherwise, we have to install drivers. Okay, manual. So that is the point, guys. Okay. Yeah, I'm showing the property part also. This is the device is working or not. Okay. So it is showing device is working. Yeah, actually, this one. Yeah, that's a additional point I told, but it is good. Go to drivers part, this part. You can get a details, updated drivers. So if you click on update drivers, it shows search automatically for drivers, browse my computer for a drivers. Okay, for updating drivers it is. If you update and then it is not working after updating, you can roll back using rollback option. You can disable the drivers if your current drivers are not working or device is not functioning, or maybe device is blocking other functions. So you can disable the device for a particular time. Okay, your device is not working properly. Then you can uninstall the drivers. So this is for updating drivers, rollbacking drivers, disable drivers, uninstall the drivers in the drivers tab. Better it is here only. Okay. Update drivers. Okay. So what are the things are there? Rollback drivers. Okay. Of course, the usage you can able to see from. So I will show you updated drivers part. No, not required. It is. Okay. This is how we can able to see things. And very important is digital signature. You can see the guys digital signature. So digital signature is must given by the either manufacturer of the device or the Microsoft. Okay. If digital signature is missing, also may cause device not functioning properly. Okay. So you have to check that one also. So these are all we are using for a both troubleshooting and also for observations and all. Okay. Uninstallation of device where we use that is also we can see. I'll give one example when we use disabled drivers, uninstall devices. So one kind of stuff is if your device drivers not working, so device is not working. So you can uninstall the device drivers. Second, mm, sometimes device drivers are good, but device also showing means in general tab, device also showing device also showing it's showing working properly. In general tab, it is showing working properly, but not working. Okay. So what we will do for this one, what we will do, the troubleshooting is uninstall device, and next step is restart your PC. Okay. Check again. Okay. So drivers automatically installs. So no need to install drivers again because drivers are good, correct drivers only. but device is also showing working properly, but really it is not working. Okay. So when I done this type of kind of stuff, guys, so that example I will tell, and then we will close this one. Printer I will tell tomorrow. Okay, because it's already we are about 1 o'clock. So I got a network related issue. Okay, so try I just so issue is scenario. Okay, so try to access remote shared folder. I got this problem here. I cannot be able to access. Okay, so what I have to check it? Network related issue is this. So check, the first check is IP address configuration. So anyway, we tomorrow will see that one kind of stuff, troubleshooting. I check the IP address configuration. Okay, next one is sharing configuration. Okay, and in a control panel, there is a uh, what is this in control panel? Network and sharing. In this one, change advanced sharing settings. This is also turn on. Okay. So second is go to control panel, networking and sharing center, change advanced sharing is I'm went there on advanced sharing settings. Okay. In that one, check file and printer sharing. Turn on. So these things you have to check it, guys. So check IP configuration in both the pieces. Check the sharing configuration. Third one, firewall. Okay. Fourth one, go to control panel, go to network and sharing center, change advanced sharing. So there it is, turn on file and printer sharing. Okay. These things are there or not. Okay. I done all these things. Still, my remote PC, I cannot able to access. Sharing folder related or printer access sharing. Accessing sharing folder or a printer access is there. So try to access, I can't able to access. So I have to check all these things. Okay, in both the sites or maybe at least at a remote PC. Remote PC and access PC. So remote PC first. So last is what I have done. All these things are done. Try. Nothing is working. The last trial is, so go to control panel. Device manager or devmgmt.msc. So go to network adapters. Okay. So right click on adapter, uninstall device, then restart my PC. So this is the final step. See, this is also one of the troubleshooting part. It's very simple. So just uninstall the device. You are about to uninstall this device from the system. Just click on uninstall. See, device is gone. No problem. The devices are inside your system. Automatically, when you restart your PC, system is trying to recognize the device. Okay. And once device is there, you try to reload the drivers. Okay. So what will happen? Uninstalled it, and I restart my PC. When system is restarted, so voice is try to recognize the device. Device is there, then operating system will try to reload the device drivers. So like that, it will can able to resolve your issue. Okay. So what I said about issue for this issue, it's not a direct fifth part. You have to do all these things. Nothing is working. So then this is the last option because you have to restart your PC. Okay. For these things, you don't need to restart your PC. For this one, you have to restart your PC. Okay. That's what I am trying to. Guys, understand how to troubleshoot?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I will show once. What is device manager adapter. See, automatically it is came. Okay, so drivers you uninstalled it, but still it is there in your system. So when operating system loading, so that will recognize the devices, it will load the drivers. So when voice is loading, that time only the drivers will be loaded. Okay, so we will discuss about a printer part, different printers, type of printer, how to add a printer kind of stuff. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Meet you tomorrow. Any doubts? Anything you want to say? Okay. Stop recording.